All right, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb in one of these third brake lights. They were used in the 126, the 124, and the 201. I guess there are some people that can open them up by lifting these tabs, but I've tried probably 25 times. I tried every possible way to do it and they break. It's just they've been baking in the back window of your car since the 80s or early 90s. So both of these, the bulbs are burned out. That's the main problem. They look great. It's perfect, but if you're doing a show, sometimes they want to see the brake lights come on. So you could put this in without the light working. I think that's kind of lame. So we're gonna open this one up. I've already done it with this one. If you think this looks bad, you can stop the video right now. So it's a little raised. I think it just kind of looks like it melted in the sun. And then this one is a little raised. So I replaced the bulb. This is a new bulb. One other thing that can happen, the bulb might not be broken, but the metal reflector becomes loose. So normally I would throw those away, but I guess now I've kind of figured it out. I'm not sure this is gonna work. It's very, very fragile, but it worked on this one. So I'm gonna show you the technique to show you it is possible. You do need a heat gun. I've got a Bosch PHG 600E. So we'll just go right in. I don't like long intros on these videos. So I'm just gonna heat it up and then I'm going to lift it up with a very thin screwdriver that I had here. Looking for it. So these are the tools. Very thin screwdriver. I'm going to gently lift this up once it's melted, and then a flathead screwdriver. When you put it back on, hopefully if all goes right, then mash it back down. So you're gonna wanna watch this. When you can start seeing the plastic move around a little bit or melt, then you wanna stop and lift it up from the end. So here we go. Hope you can see that. And once we lift it up, we're not gonna pull it because it'll break the other side. We're gonna lift it up so it's above the little notch and then do the other side. Yeah, that's hotter than hell, man. Show you. I'm not going to fast forward this on the video because you need to see how long it takes. So I can see it sweating a little bit. I know some people on some TV shows I've seen on restoring cars, when the black's all faded, you can apply heat and it brings out the depth of the color. So it's getting darker. Okay, kind of seeing movement there. That's still on. Fire hazard there. You want to do this quick. All right, that's up. I think that's high enough for the... Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna lay it flat because I don't want to break that off. I think you can see that. All right, here we go. So I wasn't seeing the color change on the blue, but you can see it on the black. So that's a good gauge to tell when you're ready to try to peel it up.
It's looking a little melty to me.
All right, let's try it. It's only melted at the front. I'm gonna go back a little and try to do it a little lighter because it looked like it was melting. I just heard something crack. I think it cracked where I tried it earlier. Maybe it didn't crack. Oh man, I didn't pull this one out enough. Oh, I did. All right. So that's separated. We're halfway there. That's the old bulb. I'm gonna put in a new one. I'm gonna test this first to make sure it goes off. So you're just gonna put a 12 volt either end, it doesn't matter. There we go. All right. I guess you could clean, it's dusty in there. I don't think it really matters, but you could do that while you're in there. All right. So, trying to lean this on something so you can see it without burning it. Let's try that. All right, so I need this flat screwdriver. Great. Kind of concerned, because I thought I heard a crack, but I'm just going to get this real melty and then push it down.
is not going.
I think that's good enough on that one. Yeah, so this one wasn't as high. It's not melted yet. It's all about patience. But don't wait too long, you're going to start shrinking this little tab up and melt it. Oh, I think I see a crack. Yeah, I do. And this was the one I didn't pull up very up far. All right. Well, I'm not really happy with that. Let's see. All right, so then while it cools, yeah, there's a crack. All right, let's see. This one's bulging out a little tiny bit. If you can see that. And then this one, I don't know, I think black's hard to work with. So the blue one, my first try. So that's it. I mean, if you're fine without the light, I wouldn't open these up. If you're not, then that's the only way I can figure out how to do it. But if that backing, the reflector is broken off or separated, you definitely want to open it up because that's going to drive you crazy, the rattling. So I hope that helped. It's all about going really slow and then making sure you can live with the result. I think it's pretty good because these always look a little melted. Wow, this is perfect. Look at that. They are usually like this from the bulb heat. All right, hope that helped. Thank you.